guys? Hello and welcome back. So we are back here again on Fremont Street. This time we are going to walk through the Fremont Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. This is downtown, as you all know. Fremont Street Experience is downtown here. Bunch of gaming right as you walk into the front. We're going to do things a little bit different. We're going to walk over to the left this time. We'll work our way from the left all the way through. It looks like we got cage going on over here on the left side too, so we'll have to be sure to not film that. There's banquet rooms and stuff like that that's going to be up over here on your right hand or left hand side, excuse me, well, my right, yeah, on the left hand side of the casino as you walk in kind of from the south part here. So we'll kind of avoid the casino. The casino cash cage will kind of check out some of the back part here. We'll work our way to the front as well. Hotel desk check-in and stuff like that is going to be up over here to the left. Keno station, draw ball Keno is here as well. You guys can check out all of that if you stop in here on the Fremont Casino in downtown Las Vegas. But here's your hotel check-in lobby. Kind of go this way. There's Dunkin Donuts, a few other places like that. I think there's Ghirardelli's chocolate place that was up here in years past. I'm not sure if it's still here. Could be. I guess we'll have to check it out. Dunkin Donuts is off over to the left, so if you need coffee in the morning, that's a good place to do that. And the Nye Express. Looks like a pretty good place to eat. Might have to check that out a little bit later. So we're kind of doing the back walkthrough of this casino, then we'll kind of walk up towards the front. So I lied, the cage is right up towards the front here, so we're going to try and avoid that as much as possible. Kind of do this back way here, just like we have been doing. So Tony Roma's, the Paradise Buffet is here. The Paradise Cafe is also here at the Fremont Casino as well. So if you guys are interested in the buffet, it's pretty good from what I've heard. If you guys want to check out Las Vegas buffets, be sure to check out All You Can Vegas's YouTube channel. He has a bunch of buffet reviews, things like that for you guys to see. So if you are interested in that, Derek is his name. He runs All You Can Vegas. It's a good channel. Him and I were supposed to meet up out here. He had some trouble back home in LA, so he wasn't able to make the trip this time. But hopefully on the next adventure we will come back, do some gaming, and do some buffet reviews with Derek. I was also going to take Derek on a few of these casino walkthrough videos as well. So Tony Roma's is up over on the left-hand side. If you're looking for a place to eat, that's a good place to do so. Paradise Buffet and Cafe is up over here as well. So this is kind of the back part. This is a nice little gaming area. A little bit older machines back here, but like I said, the oldies are the goodies. Sometimes the new ones can rob you, so don't be fooled. New machines aren't always the best. The old ones do quite well as sometimes as well. So back here is the sports book. We'll kind of take a walk through here. You got a bar up over on the left-hand side, a bunch of TVs, places to place your bets here in Las Vegas. But anyway, we will continue to go through here. We'll kind of make our way back to the front, and then we'll walk towards the front and kind of show you some of the gaming and stuff that's up there as well, but a lot of machines here. Fremont is another casino that has a pretty big casino floor as well. So I think there's 3 buffets downtown, one here at Fremont. I believe there's one at the Golden Nugget because we walked by it, and then I know there's a 3rd one, but I can't remember where it was. Derek would know if you asked him on his comments, so maybe that's a question for him. But there's a lot of stuff to do and to see on Fremont Street. As you can tell, it's starting to get crazy. It's about 5 o'clock in the PM here, Pacific Standard Time in Las Vegas, so that's usually when people come out to play, is during the evening. So these casinos will get packed. A bunch of people will fill this place up, and it should be entertaining to say the least. Over to the left is your Players Club card, so if you need to sign up for the Fremont Casino, be sure to do that there. Like I said, the cashier's cage is up towards the front on the left-hand side, so we're going to avoid that. We're going to walk back by the table games as well, and then head back up towards the front of the casino, and then maybe check out the D and see what's going on there. So the D is a bigger casino. It has 2 different floors. I think upstairs they reserve it for older gaming and things like that, and then downstairs they have a bunch of newer gaming and stuff that they put down on their casino floors as well. So from what I can see, they have, you know, anywhere from $5, $25, $10 minimums on these tables. So pretty much everything. You know, $5 is basically where I've seen them at. I think there's a few other places that do 3 and 2, like Hooters off the Strip or something like that. I'm not sure if that's still the case anymore. Trust me, I'm quoting this from years ago, so I don't know how accurate and how true that all still is today. But I think this will leave it off here for the Fremont Hotel and Casino walkthrough. We're back to the point that we first started at here, so we'll kind of loop around here. But if you guys like the video here on the Fremont Hotel and Casino, be sure to hit that like button on the video today. Consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. But as always, my name is Ryan. I will be your host through all these walkthrough videos, through the strip walk videos. So I hope you all enjoy. It's been a pleasure to shoot all these videos for you guys here in Las Vegas. But as always, stay tuned for the next one and have a great rest of your day.